come
Make
for
a
us.
turn. And come the other direction.
Yeah.
Well, that's
Sure,
it's
yeah.
practice, right?
You just have to practice.
You have to practice turning.
Oh my God.
You
Woo!
just have to learn how to drive it.
Keep both sides moving.
Full search for life here.
Woo!
Would it be easier or harder? There's a nail on one of the wheels.
Come on.
So you gotta be a little bit like car.
It might be.
Yeah, it'll make it.
Can you guys drop it again?
Yeah,
Over
we
here.
want to see it.
Over. That's what they're trying to do,
They're
Laura.
trying to turn around.
Hopefully it'll turn better on carpet.
Not enough.
Library. No. The librarian's gonna be like, yeah.
Okay, now, hold on, hold on.
Uh-oh.
Now close the gripper.
Oh, wonderful. Wunderbar. Oh, how awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, you try one other thing.
The gripper is stuck. No, bad idea. Victor, bad idea.
Where's here?
Okay, so let's do that again.
Victor, do it. Hold on, don't.
We'll leave it up there and see if we can come off.
Thank you. Do it again, though.
Why not?
Oh my gosh.
You can't
Woo.
do that either.
Yeah.
Aww. Mark, you're leaning a lot. Lower the
Lower the wrist. Lower the wrist.
There. Now move forward. Got it.
Okay.
Lower.
Lower the wrist. There you go.
Grab.
Now grab.
Problem, is it?
Huh?
Oh
No.
my gosh. That is awesome.
Just back up. Tuck it under. Back up. And this time, just try putting it on top. We just want to put it in one of those little things.
That's for bonus points,
Bonus
right?
points
Yeah.
at the end.
Oh. Ooh.
Back. Okay. At the end. There you go.
Let go.
Drop and back up.
Woohoo! Katie, do I have permission to put this on YouTube so you can see it?
Yeah.
Okay, it's AHS Robotics.
Sure.
YouTube. I'll put it
Thank you.
tonight. Okay. So just AHS Robotics. Okay.
You got it up there? You got it up there?
This is so awesome.
That's a
And then you can